Hello guys. So in this stream, I'm going to like live stream how I trade and everything like that. So at the moment, I am waiting for the price to come down, at least to here, where I have already marked uh, my entry plus this is notification like alarm to notify me when the price comes down. So yeah, I'm thinking here to enter, but the price is moving, I would say not very good because I don't have like a lot of confirmation if I, for example, enter now. Whereas the candles are very small, in my opinion, I'll enter with something like, I don't know, like in this, like I have more of something like confirmation that the price either could go down or up. First, yeah, we can see that it hit like its ceiling, like the support, and I guess yeah, it needed some time and then it broke and it went up. So at the moment, the prices go ups and down, and it's very uncertain because of the demand zone that is like here, and it like yeah, because the price when it moves, you move like the man the demand zone and the support. But one candle doesn't like, for example, this candle doesn't uh, give me any confirmation that it could go up. At the moment, it's just waiting, and I hope it's going to play out. So yeah, mm, yeah, this is with real account, like you can see. So it's not like some demo and you lose. It's nothing like if I lose, I lose like real money. So yeah, I mean, I think I didn't need to say that, but hey, doesn't matter. Uh, so yeah. Of course. Okay, so yep, like I thought, if for example I entered
Hey,
earlier in a
take a
buy
look.
in a buy, that is gonna like result in a loss because the stop loss is going to be hit, and I will not be. I mean, I will hit the stop loss and lose my short points, you know. But uh, I think it's going to be bearish. So still, it went very fast down. Mm, I don't know. I'll wait, I guess, for the next candle to show me if it's going to be a bearish uh, or bullish. I mean, he's creating now a green candle. That's a good thing, but it could be a fake out, for example, in some. When I say like a fake out, I mean like it's, oh, I show you a green, but next, I don't know, 5 seconds, it goes down and it hits my bearish stop loss. So it's a bearish stop loss. My stop loss, I mean, sorry. So I'm not really sure now for entry, but I'll wait. Maybe it will go good. Okay, yep. For 1 second, I did look and I mean, I could take yeah, a quick one. That's it.
Order filled.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it, man. I knew it. No. Nah, I missed. I cannot believe this, man. Alright, so I kinda messed it up. I rushed in this. I hope, I really hope it plays out. I rushed this one. Usually I don't do this, but the stop. How much is the stop loss? Let me see. Yep. GG's. Please, please, please go up. uh, I mean, let's wait out. Let's wait. I will not move the stop loss. The Yeah, it's a bearish one. I rushed on this. I mean, it's not. I don't know. I kind of rushed in this, and I kind of saw also the the indicator that I have, like it says like buy, and I rushed in this buy. So yeah, I needed like 300 to fix my like pass like two days ago. My 500 I lost, and yesterday I made 200, and yeah, it's going to hit my stop loss. Okay, so next trade, we'll wait for more stable. I know it's going to hit my stop loss. That's obvious, but I don't know. Maybe I can end. I mean, it's like teasing my stop loss. It doesn't hit my stop loss, but it's going to be 150, I guess, of a loss. But I don't want to. Uh, oh, wait. Okay, maybe, maybe. Okay, we wait. It's very important that when you trade with a stop loss. If you like if you don't put a stop loss, you're just risking unlimited money to lose. When you have a stop loss, you know, I know it's not fun. I know that you want to maybe, you know, you say to yourself like, oh wait, I will not I will not put a stop loss because I know it's going to go up. Yes, that's true. But a lot of the accounts that you're going to buy for trading from a prop firm, sorry, they have like a daily loss limit. And you can do like no stop loss if you want on a live account, if you truly don't care. But I think that is going to be very bad idea. Either if it's on a live or a prop prop firm where you buy an account like this, but still the stop loss is the thing that stops you from losing your account uh, on live and on prop. firm. Yeah, I'm kind of aware of the fact that it's going to hit my stop loss. It's like teasing, but I really hoped it went up. I truly thought if I let it come down, for example, now, it's going to be a beautiful entry now. It could be. It could be. Maybe. I still maybe will think about
Stop
it again.
filled.
Yeah, okay. So next trade we're going to look for a more good setup. This was a rushed one, and I mean it happens. I rushed it, and that's a lesson. It's not a. I want to see it like a mistake because I mean it's not going to change anything. Oh, it's a mistake, and I'm going to feel guilty. And oh yeah, I hit my like a big stop loss. I should stop trading. Yeah, in those cases, yes, but I'm planning to make to do a one more trade with a more tight like a $50 in a risk. And not I mean like my stop loss to be 50 and my win and my profit to be like 300 at least for today. And tomorrow I'm going to scale it up. So I fix today's loss, but the 300 is needed for at least to, you know, to recover some of the account, but I'll wait. That's a lesson that you don't rely on your indicators or anything you have, nor I don't know ChatGPT you ask or anybody. You need to have your own strategy and to stick to that strategy. For example, this week it's the market. It's not going to be very strong, so I'm kind of going to make how much I can. So so guys, so today we will I don't know. Zigovic, I talk in English because I don't know, maybe somebody will join us the stream and they would want to uh, watch the stream in English, so I'm going to stick with that. Uh, it's not uh, it's not gambling. It's just trading. It's the reason that our currency, oh, not our currency, but it's the reason why some of the money currency grows per years. You know, like 2% or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any plan. Like if someone is going to watch it, I just stream because why not? You know, I'm kind of using free will here. You know. So yeah. Let me see. Can I do this? This. Ah, wait. Huh. I don't know. By the way, how are you, bro? How's it going? I cannot see the line. Yeah, it's here. Uh, if it hits here, the buy price, it should be a good entry. I mean, I don't know. First, I think it was the biggest, oh, biggest lesson that, let me see, can I draw? Yeah. First, I see a big, beautiful, uh, bearish. So it's going to go down, but it doesn't need to be like 100% it's going to go down. Then we have like a little fake out that I say that tricks us in thinking that, wait, maybe the price is going to go up, you know. But there is like, if you see it like this, maybe, okay, you see it like this is, oh yeah, I could use this one, like, so, uh, we see like it hits like a ceiling almost, let's see. So there's a resistance in a buy zone, so it's going to go bearish. And this was a mistake when I, oh, let me see. Wait, wait. Mm, wait, I lose it. Where's the, oi. No, it's not going to be here. 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 Here, no. Mm, mm, I, no, it was here. I know. I will check the comments now if anybody wrote something because at the moment I'm trying to find, ah, the brush here. Alright, so um again we hit like a, come on man, a resistance here. So here and here also we have like two resistance. So it's, if it didn't went up here, it shouldn't like go here or here. So yeah, I kind of went against my logic and basic. I mean, I went um, against, basic trading, so it the loss was on me. But I think if it reaches down here where I plan to enter, it should be okay. So yeah, let's see the comments now. Uh, this is not gambling. There is nothing with gambling. This is, you have a strategy and you have rules. In gambling, man, you just go with feelings. It's mostly feelings than a strategy or anything. So it's not gambling. At the end of the day, it's a job that you can get, and not in a casino to get a job. Gambling, it's not a job. It's just a hobby. Let's say for some people that want to make money and they will stake like their house and everything. But here, you don't stake a house or anything. You just pay for an account. Like for example, like Netflix, you have the account and you can, trade and get money. The good thing is that most of the accounts are cheap, so you can buy them, but expect that the profit split is going to be either 50-50 or 80%, or sometimes they will say 100, but I doubt that somebody will give you 100 on a bot account. But if you trade with a life account is an account that you register and you start from zero, and then you deposit, for example, 100 euros to start trading. And with live account, the good thing is that you don't have a daily loss. So you can, I don't know, go down to $10, and the next day, I don't know, you can make I don't know, 500 or even more. No, no, I'm not gambling. No, it's not the thing that I found myself that it's going to be profitable in the long run, because I lost a lot of money. For example, if I kept every money that I spent in live, no, oh yeah, live gambling in football, now I could have a live account that it could, like, I could trade with that, but the money is going to be a very big loss, and everything live it's a lesson. So yeah, yeah, you become gambling. You begin only because you can make a fast money. That's the reason. You don't trade because it's fun. I mean, yeah, it's fun. It gives you like some fake energy, like go, 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 come on. But you're putting money in a person, and most of the matches are already scripted to how many goals, what to happen, and everything. Most, I'm not saying all, but for example, Argentina, come on, man, Messi's like uh, stretches his arm to stop the ball, and he doesn't get anything. And plus, FIFA is on his back, opposite. Messi is in FIFA's back, piggy rights, I'm not gambling. You see, I have strategy. For example, the second, this is something that a lot of there's like firms, businesses that are for trading, and people apply with CVs and everything. In gambling, you just enter, you just give you your ID, and you just start gambling. Yeah, it's simple to start, but it comes with a lot of cons. Yeah, but you can only win money if it's going to play out like you think. You don't have like a guarantee that the money is going to be. I mean, not the money, but when you gamble, you don't have like 100% insurance that you're going to win. I lost a lot of money because I thought I'm going to win 200 euros in a. I have like minimum 200 euros in betting tips, so it's not a little amount of money. Okay, so back a little to trading. So maybe there's a chance the price is going to be today bearish. I kind of went against the market today. Hmm, can I go for a little fast dip? I mean, that maybe, yeah, I could, but I don't know. I don't want to risk, because this is now, if I enter a trade now, it's going to be like going with feelings, not with strategy. For example, yeah, I see the market going down, but I don't still have a good insurance that it's going to go down. Maybe it's going to come to here, very small profit, and then it's going to go up. So I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to wait for the price to come down a little more, and then I can, because the perfect it could be if I entered here. So let me just delete these things because I cannot uh, I cannot do I cannot draw, and you people cannot see what I'm doing. So yeah, I could enter here where I went in for a buy, but it is what it is. Let's see. In like to lose my money in uh, betting tips or in trading. In what category? Trading or gambling? Sport tips. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's going to be. You see, there is some resistance. Not resistance, but see, he's saying that it's going to go up. But again, my rule is not to. Uh, how can I say? I'm not like, for example, I don't know how to say the word, but I'm going to explain. I'm not like, oh, there's a green, I'm going to buy. Yeah, I did with the previous trade, but that was like fear of missing out, and I'm aware of that thing. Most of the time, when I lose a trade is because of that, because I fear that I'm going to miss the movement. So yeah, I'm working on that. Um, for example, again, I don't have any confirmation that this is going to go down. Maybe it's going to go down. I think maybe to here, but still, it, I'm not feeling it. I know you see like, oh, you say you're feeling it, so it's like gambling. No, like, man, when you put real money, you need to trust yourself. So there's a feeling that's, if it's inside you, that it's like saying, well, look, don't go in a trade. You're going to burn again the money. I mean, you need to listen to yourself first. Here, still, I don't have any confirmation for how much is going to go down. I missed this. This was maybe like 3 4 hour. Around 3 a.m. my time, I think. Yeah. So if I enter here, man, you can see how much I could won. And this is like, for example, let me uh, show you guys how much thing, how much I could earn if it, if I didn't sleep, for example. And for example, let's say I'm pushing it. First, I would see here, but yeah, I guess I'll hit here. This is, I look for like 350 profit to 400. So 400 is going to look, oh, sorry, to, let's show you. Yeah, here. So it's before before the last candle, if it's before it forms. So that could be a very good trade. Let me see the comments. But look, one is staged. You have like, for example, for football, it's staged. I'm not gambling, and I'm going to play a little later, not now. I guess until 1 p.m. and then I will like turn off the stream because due to, I mean, like, I'm going to rest. Maybe I'll eat something like because I didn't had any breakfast. I mean, at the moment in front of me there is an ice cream, and let's say like 30% of the can of ice cream I ate for for breakfast. So I'm not a very good breakfast, but yeah, it's not gambling again. I'm going to say that because when it's stage and you don't have any insurance that that match is going to play out, you know. But for this, you see like there is like you see it physically there is some movement there is a chance that it's going to be profitable, man. Like gambling, you don't see anything. You place the bet and you go home and watch the match. In trading, man, you look first for the news. It tells you how the market is going to be. Is it going to be like ups or downs? Second, you see the market how it like formed the candles. So if you follow a strategy to know where to enter, if your strategy, yeah, if your strategy, no, it's not a strategy. If you have like the basic knowledge of trading to know where to enter and where to not to enter, that that's the thing. I mean, that's the all the thing that you need to know. It's not like a rocket science. Yeah, there's levels to trading. I'm not going to lie, but until I mean, you can make a 10 grand a month and still just use the basic knowledge, like where to enter, where to exit, how much should I make. Like it's yeah. I need to make like 3 grand so I can uh withdraw. So I'm kind of little low at the moment, a little low. So it's like 400 I need to make to get back to zero, and then to make 3 grand, and I can have my payout. So it's a good money, not gonna lie. And plus with sport like tickets, man, you need to wait. I don't know for the next match, and you know it's you need to wait. But for trading, you get up in the morning and you can trade. So it's like you have very fast profits because you can trade every day. But with sport tips, you need to bet, I don't know, 2 times in the month, and you can make like maybe it all depends in how much you try to invest. But still, I mean, come on. Maybe football was good. Maybe betting was more simple in the past. But now, man, everything is like staged. There is nothing. In football, there is no strategy, man. You just bet on the team and hope that that team is going to win. Yeah, I'm in minus. The maximum that I can be in minus is 2 grand, but I'm not like a lot in a minus. So today I lost 156 US dollars. So I'm kind of a little low, but it's possible to win the money. It's possible. Just it's going to take a little more of trading to get back. So it's like I need to make $524 to be back in zero, and then I can make money. No, it's 500, 524. So I'm kind of a little more in minus, yes. The account gives you the ability to go in minus. I mean, trading is you need to have a lot of discipline in yourself because if you don't have self-control, how much should I put? How much should I put? Where to enter? Where to exit? when to trade. Very important. When to trade. Because not every day you will have like a beautiful movement. Like, for example, this is a beautiful movement in my opinion. This it's a beautiful. Why I say it's beautiful? Look, it's going cleanly down. There is no like green fake outs. For example, you see like little green fake outs to well not maybe trick you a little, but still there's when you see like the price it doesn't move from here to here. This is a no, let me just delete the last. You see there, yeah, and up and down there is a resistance. So the maximum that, for example, if I enter here, it's going to be like to here. Up, wait, it's going to be like to here. That's the maximum that I can squeeze at the moment. Until the price breaks this line, I will know that the maximum I can make is to here. You see like it's a clean down, there's a clean up, a little, this is a retest, this is called retest when the price goes up and down and up and down. So you see there is a very clean resistance here. It will not go any higher for now. You can see later on it plays out. It goes down, you have a beautiful sell, then there's a beautiful up to here, and there is again a retest in the price and it goes up. So there is like three, uh, four, four, and I will say this is the fifth one. Mm, I don't know about this. I mean, it could be a retest, but I don't know. Why I say it could be because I mean the price didn't move a lot, but yeah, it could be a retest. Yeah. This is a retest. This is this, and this one. So there is like six retests when the price first it was a bullish when the price goes up, then it was bearish when the price went down. So it's you can see that it's simple. You don't need to have like a lot of knowledge in the end. Yeah. So it's I don't know. Any questions, anything like about trading and things like that? I'll just delete it like this. It's faster. Що напив? Wait. No, okay. Switch to cross and yeah. I think this spread is going to come to here when I don't know, maybe 6, 7 p.m. So it's going to be later in the day. I will not enter now. So yeah. Plus, oh yeah. Oh, look, the account is not totally mine. I didn't bought this account with my money. It's shared with a friend, so the profit is going to be 50-50. And I need to be careful because due to its, I'm not making the profit only for myself. I'm also with a friend, so I need to be careful how I trade because today I took 150 of a loss, which is a big one. Usually I don't go more than 50, 60, sorry. This ice cream, I thought it was going to fall, so I'm sorry. Back to what I was thinking. So I need to be careful what I do. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe he will be a little angry because I lost money. but I will talk with him and maybe like talk what I think for the next trade. Maybe I will not take again today trade. I'm still going to talk with him because I respect uh I respect him, you know. I don't want to lose the account because I was careless. But look, you can make in one day even 1 grand. It's not that it's out of the context. Yeah, if you don't trade, that sounds like wow, you know. You see, till here it's 400. So it's how much is how many how much does it move? I'm going to tell you now. So it's like 50, let's say 50-ish of a price. Like, you know, you can see in the on the let me just place it like this. You can see 28,932 to 982. 32, sorry if I said wrong the first price. So it's only $50 up and I make 40 for 400, sorry. The more you put, this is on the right side, units. Uh, Let me see, can I show you guys like this? Yes, units. I can show you. So, uh, every pipe, every one, it's called pipes. When you see like, for example, me, like, can I show you text? Yeah, I can show you. For example, I don't know, I'm going to show you 1,000, right? Every, uh, every one, let's see, dollar, yeah, $1, it's going to be 50. So you technically 50-50 plus 50-50-50 per, well, I think the math is going to math with me. No, it's, 50, uh, it's like, how can I explain it? No, look, technically every one of a dollar is, it's $4. So every one is four, I think. Wait, let me just run the calculations here. Yes, but also no. Yeah, I'm not sure how to explain it, but like when it just goes multiplies, I guess you can say something like that. Let me see. I'm not sure how to explain the price, but yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I know this is a basic knowledge, basic thing to know. I'm kind of always mixing it with other things, so I'm sorry. Um, so yeah, for example, the more units, the more contracts you have, you just make more. For example, 10 contracts, that's a 125 risk with 100% 1 to 10 to 1 to 100 leverage. So every pipe ish I don't know. That's going to be like more. The more you put, the more you get. Sure thing. Well, I will wait. I don't know, 30 more minutes, and I will end the stream because I see the price is going up, and yeah, I don't think the price is going to go down. I missed a lot of. I lost. I mean, I misread the chart, but it's still a lesson before. Oh, yeah, before you trade with money, you need to start with demo account. I'm not saying that I'm a professional, like things. I'm still learning, but uh, I'm happy to trade and to live stream at the same time. I hope that one day I can have like people to watch the stream and things like that. And yeah, for example, you see the price goes up, so the indicator like read it correctly, but I don't know. I didn't know when the price is going to up. I mean, there is some movement. You can see like here, it goes up, but it could also be a retest and come to here and then maybe a little up and then, down. So, yeah, it's still a big risk to for that. Is Zigo you here? Because I don't know how to see how many viewers I have, so yeah. I don't know. Trading needs time. That's always a big thing. It's a long-term investment that you invest in yourself because trading is good. I used to trade during the coronavirus, but it was crypto. This is forex, so it's I don't know. I say it's like a big boys um trading thing. I mean, also I know there's like a big people like with good amounts, very good amounts of money in their wallet. But I see the forex like more like better. Okay, so guys, a little change of a plan. Um, so my mother called me now. I will need to come and help her. And yeah, I'm sorry to end the stream very like 30 minutes earlier. Sorry. I really like I mean, I like the feeling now, streaming and talking, and yeah. So at the moment, I didn't make nothing because I mean, I could, but I I wouldn't like watching the chart too much. I was on my phone and I was talking and like I missed a beautiful once again. I can I will put an alarm or an alert to tell me when the price comes here because I see there is a resistance here, and maybe I'll put it like here a little lower. When it hit here, I can go then with a beautiful one of a cell, one of a cell. Here there's a 340. That's going to be like more than I lost today. I mean, I lost only 150, but let's keep it only to that 150. And the risk I will put like only 50, like nothing more than that. Like it's not worth more than 50 to more to lose. So 50 with a beautiful 340 or a win. Maybe I'll be like little more conservative and go like 300. So it's not a very big movement. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it this to my stop loss and this to my. Oh, I did. Oh man, come on. I didn't want to move it, but yeah, I think it was like a perfect. Sorry, I wanted to move this one a little more accurate, like for few buckaroos more accurate. So yeah, when it hits here, I mean like the white line you see on the chart, it I would check again if it's a beautiful up, or maybe wait for it to the resistance to the red line that I have. If it hits that, and then it shows me like a downtrend or a red candle, I'll go for a sell. Until then, I will wait to see how it's going to play. So yeah, at the moment we can see that it had a beautiful up. Then it's like two red, but let's watch this one, the latest one, right? So it's very small, and we have also very small green. There's a chance. Yeah, we have like 10 more seconds. Oh yeah, yeah, we have 10 more seconds before the candle would close. Like 5, 3, 2, 1, and it closed. Now it's going to form a new one. From my experience and also thoughts, the price is going to go up. Maybe it will go to here. It's not going to get to my white line. Maybe it's possible, but once again, I'm not trying to rush the process. It must be like with clear head trade. Because if I rushed it, you see, I lost 150 very fast. It went up. I could like took a less and stop the loss. But maybe sometimes you hope when you're in red that it's going to play out very differently. So yeah, let me see the chat because I was looking. Um, I will help you if you want to start trading. But from experience, sorry, I skipped one message. I didn't bother? Because I missed the movement and I was on my phone, so it was on me once again. If you want to start trading, I will recommend you on TradingView. This is an app, and there is also a website. You just type TradingView, close. Um, you can start with a paper trading. That's a fake money, digital money, nothing like real. You don't lose anything. Uh, I don't know. It's not a bad of a business. You're technically, once again, I'm going to say, for trading to be in some company, you need to send a CV, and uh, you pay. For example, in my country, you pay. I need to pay 10% of my income. For example, if I make 1 grand, I will need to give to my country 100 euros because compensation, blah blah, things like that. I could make it like off, like to keep it in crypto and only take enough money to uh enough money that I need. That's a good idea. Yeah, under the radar. But if the bank sees that you have like, I don't know, every month 500 withdrawal, for example, during that month you make money, and at the end, for example, you want to buy something and you withdraw 500, they'll see every month that you have recurring money. So it's a very big risk of avoiding taxes. And I don't plan to go to jail or anything. So until then, yes, I will keep it online. And when during that time, the more I'm profitable, I'll go to my uh, office, not my office, but my government office, and I say like, hey, I'm a freelancer. I make money online because that's a thing of from home. You go to your government office, government, yeah, to your government. You say like that you're trading and you pay 10% of the profit every month. So yeah, plus for businesses, for example, if you start a business, a real one business, you pay only 7%. In my country, only 7% of taxes. So you pay less as a businessman than a normal worker, because even if you want to work in a company, firm, at home, for example, like trading, you pay 10, but only you pay 7 if you are a businessman. If you have a business, then you pay 7%, plus the country gives you 10 grand to start a business. It's not enough, yeah, but you could buy you something. You can buy something, Still, you need to say to your government, hey, I'm planning to buy this, and they will need to uh, um approve the thing that you want to buy. Let's see the chat. Uh, no, for Minecraft, let's play later. Now I will need to dress and go to meet with my mom. So you can see the prices goes down. For example, this was a very beautiful one. I will say like that. For example, if I waited to here to hit, and I will need like maybe 50. You can see like I need 50 to make 300. So 50. Yeah, actually, it's going to be a clean one. It could be a clean one. You see, 50, perfect. It's going to hit me TP. I mean, TP, it's your take profit in long term. It's TP, take profit. It was a perfect one. Wow, man. Psst. Oh, 300 I lost. I mean, I didn't take the opportunity, so it's on me. But I'm going to take in a sell, so it's still the price could go to do a retest and to go up and to hit my limit or my asking price. As you can see, I ask of the market to be at 29,132, and then it will execute. For now, if I don't say press a sell, even if the price reaches that, it's not going to execute my order because I don't confirm the trades though. Because I don't know, I want to think maybe, yeah, I'm going to miss once again at 300 two times. I missed a chance, but it's better to miss a trade than to lose some money. So yeah, both are negative and bad, but you still have the money. If you miss a trade, you still have the money that you can trade later. For example, maybe when I return, I can make 600 two times to make trade. So it's all in patience and self-control. So guys, I'm going to go now. Uh, yeah, if you have any questions, anything, type in comments and I'll respond later. Sure. Well, later. I don't know. Maybe 10 p.m. or 11. That time, little later in the day. You know. Okay. Zigwich, text me on Instagram, Discord, man, and we'll plan, make a deal when to game.